Hello guys, what can $50 actually buy you in Nigeria right now? We know that there is high inflation in Nigeria. $50 bill, this particular ice cream is sold for 6,000 naira in Nigeria. What again? And this particular rice was bought for 4,000 naira with the fish, as you can see. And this bread was bought for 2,500 naira. This is sardine bread in Nigeria. So you can imagine having a $50 bill, it cannot even get you a bag of rice. And this juice, how much does it cost? 2,000 naira. And to buy a single pack of noodles is 500 naira for one pieces. So I don't know how much pack of noodles is selling right now. And I went to the supermarket to now get some apple, get some vegetables. This small apple, the smallest one, this pack, you can see the prices. So $50 bill cannot really get you much. It will just get you tiny things that you can just add up. And what if you now have a family of 5? How are you going to do? This particular juice now, soya milk, is sold for almost 1,050 naira, 1,025 naira. They will not give you change, you. So it's all these tiny things to gather them, and see, the apple is 4,964 naira 40 kobo. That's for 6 pieces, and they are selling one pieces, small ones, for 400 naira. At the end of the day, everything that is in this bag is close to 15,000 naira. Only these few things that I picked from this shop. I bought this grape for 5,000 naira because it was my mother's birthday and she requested for this particular grape. And she also told me that she wants to eat chicken. This fish that you're seeing here is 70,000 naira. And I bought the frozen chicken for like 7,500 naira. So, and this chicken, if it's a family of 5, I don't think it will work unless they'll be cutting it small.